Welcome to Media Communications. I'm a graduating senior. I've been in this class for 1 year, but I've been doing video for as long as I can remember. In this class, we learn to use Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, Logic, and After Effects. Literally 3 days into the class, we are already manipulating photos. Then we started using Premiere, and I'm used to it, but I still prefer to use DaVinci Resolve. We learned to record in the sound booth with Logic Pro, operate sound mixers and video switchers, cameras, and I really like doing lights. We get to practice photography, which is always fun, often relaxing, especially if you get to go outside. Lots of people here specialize in different things. Some people do digital art, some of us make music, 3D animation, 2D animation, which is crazy, and weird green screen videos. My favorite thing to do is make short films. I love telling stories. I want to be a film director. I love making videos because they capture memories, and you can look back on them whenever you want. As they say, pain is temporary, film is forever. This has been CTC Media Communications.